Everybody, so as you can see, it's a nasty rainy day today in good old South Carolina. But so I don't know how much I'll be working today. I'm getting pretty lazy. But I wanted to give you a rundown on some things that's going to be coming for the old Super Duty. And to start with, let me show you this. I had to drive this weekend. I drove over to Georgia and I got, you can see that, I got 6 wheels with dually rims for F350. And so as you can guess, I'm converting my truck to a dually. That's going to be really, really cool. And I'm also going to build a flatbed. All right, I'm going to build a flatbed about this tall. Going to have an underbed box right there. And I'm going to have a on top of the bed box right there. And I'm going to take this one off and mount it on top of it. So I'm going to have a lot of room. And then I'm going to take the old Vulcan Outlaw and mount it further up into the truck. I think I'll be able to get to it, or wherever it just winds up being. I don't know. But anyway, and I'm going to take down this horrible, ugly ladder rack. I mean, I don't normally carry ladders, but I carry a lot of 20-foot long sticks of stuff. So I'm going to be building a new ladder rack for it. And so yeah, so I've got a lot of stuff coming here very shortly. And I'm going to make videos on it. I'm thinking about a 2-inch suspension lift also. So the suspension lift, the dually conversion, making the flatbed, new toolboxes, and all of this is going to be coming over this winter. And I'm really eager to start. I think the first thing I'm going to do is the flatbed. I can do the dually conversion after that's done. And while I've got the bed off, be a good time to go ahead and do the suspension. So I don't know. I've got to work out those details. But anyway, this is Jason with All Star Welding. Stick around. Good things are coming. Have a great weekend.